about an hour away, so I'm driving there right now. Finna meet up with bro, hopefully. And yeah, bro. So I decided I should record a little POV for y'all. So whenever I can, I'll just turn the camera on. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man. Turn the camera on and put it like in the dashboard so y'all can see, or put it somewhere y'all can see. But yeah, I think this him over here in this red Scatty Smatty. Yeah, this gotta be him. Alright, okay, nice, quick, and easy. I got the part. Let me go ahead and put the address in. Can y'all see what I got? Alright. Shit hard too, wide body, and he said it's new, so it might be like a 23 or something like that. Oh, hard. Oh, super hard, not gonna lie. Yeah, bro, I'm excited. I'm happy with my purchase. I thought I was gonna feel bad about getting it, but I don't feel bad about getting this. I don't. I low-key felt already, but now I don't feel bad. I'm okay with my purchase, and I know I'm gonna put that on at the right time. That's all that matters. You gotta put everything on at the right time. You can't just be putting parts on. But yeah, bro, we got an hour 30 on the way home, 97 miles, 60 miles home. I actually need to go pick up another part, not gonna lie. Damn, this one says no U-turn. Ooh, shit. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, that whole nasty though. said it already, but I'm finna go pick up another part for the car. So I'm driving there right now. It's back in Houston on our side of town. So I'm on the way there to go pick it up, and then yeah, that'll probably be the end of this video. I'll record a little bit whenever I get there. What the fuck driving back from bro truck, but I'm not finna find out. So I did pick up the other part. Hold on, let me put the camera on my head and I'll show y'all what it is. Ooh, damn, my bad, gang. I done almost swerved into this nigga putting on the camera. My bad, gang. Anyways, I got a strut for the back right side, cause ever since I had that blowout, it's just been feeling weird. So I'm gonna just replace the whole back side. I'm looking for a back passenger side knuckle right now. So I'm gonna just fix the whole back, like not even try to figure out what it is, just replace everything. So I just got a strut. I'm looking for a knuckle, and then I'm gonna replace all 4 rotors, brake pads, all that, because I feel like that's part of why this hoe is so bouncy. But then again, also definitely need some coilovers. I did find somebody selling BC coilovers for a decent price. Well, yeah, gotta do before I can get them. But I really want them hoes, and I hope he don't sell them. He ain't really I like, whenever I'm in sport, I don't really do it, but if I'm in eco and I'm not stepping on it too hard, it'll raise the temperature. My homeboy told me get a thermostat delete kit, just get the deleted one. Unfortunately though, this side is bad, so I know he got like a weird angle. He probably don't even care. He just wanted to hear that hoe and listen to it. That's pretty cool. I like doing stuff like that. That just made the video right there. Thank you. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Got some new parts today. We're gonna put on a lot of the stuff real soon. I'm trying to get everything situated so I can I want to do the fender, the bumper, both the fenders, the bumper, and all the other simple stuff first. And then I want to put on the parts that I got, which is this right here, what I got in the garage, my cam. So it's a process. It's been a process, and we just hit, well, not just hit, let me not say just hit, but we hit 50,000 not too long ago, so it's probably time for that 50,000 maintenance, 50,000 mile maintenance. Need to get probably like, not even new spark plugs, but yeah, some different spark plugs. Maybe refresh the injectors, just check everything out. 50,000, it's a lot. Yeah, bro. Thank y'all so much for all the support. It means a lot. Y'all been running the videos up, and I can't be more thankful. Run the videos up all the way up as much as we possibly can. And also, I was thinking about doing merch, but I will do merch for the car. Like, let me know if that's something y'all want to see, because I'll definitely get a graphic designer to throw some crazy shit on the shirt. And yeah, bro, I think I could come out with the hardest merch shirt for a channel. Bullshit. So once again, thank y'all. I'm gonna put a poll, probably I'm gonna put a poll on my channel. Y'all let me know. And yeah, bro, like, comment, subscribe, follow my IG, and follow my Discord, man.